Man, this pizza smells good. Oh, hey, welcome to the neighborhood. Guess what? I made this nice, delicious pepperoni pizza, and I'm gonna have a slice of it right now. I should probably ask Ernie if he wants a slice. Oh, Ernie!
Coming, Bert! What is it, Bert?
Well, I had this pizza here, and...
Pizza? You had pizza? It's a pizza party! Hey, everybody! It's a pizza party!
Wait, what?
Did someone say pizza party? Woohoo! Give me a slice! More
It's a good pizza.
Yummy, yummy, yummy! Thanks for the pizza, Ernie!
Thank you. Happy, happy pizza. My pizza.
Well, at least there's one slice left. Ooh, missed one. Don't feel bad, Bert. I didn't get a slice either. Bert? What should I do now? Huh? What's that noise? Ooh.
Ooh, look at them go. Wow.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Ernie, you gotta check out these kart racers.
Karts what? Whoa! Whoa! Who are those guys? Wait, is that Mario?
It sure is.
Hey, there's Donkey Kong!
Yeah, it's all the famous game characters. What are they doing here?
Whoa! Cool!
Awesome.
Mamma mia! Mamma mia's right! Wow, you guys were amazing! Why, thank you very much. And you're Mario! Yes, that is me. And you must be the Ernie, right? Yeah. It's very nice to meet you. Meet my other friends. There's my brother, Luigi.
Yo.
Donkey Kong. And Toadette.
Hey, boys.
Wow. I wish I could be in a go-kart race.
Yeah, me too.
No offense, my colorful friends, but you seem rather too young to be a go-kart racer.
Yeah, we don't even know how to drive.
Yeah, despite us having a tubby car in the reboot. But luckily, the Mario Kart might be on the Nintendo Switch, so you can play it there.
My gosh, why for me? Yoshi!
Oh, hey there, Yoshi. Luigi, be nice. And this is Yoshi. He rides a motorcycle.
Yep, it's one of my best features. Been hold down to my family for generations. Yeah, Donkey Kong's right. It's not as fast as a go-kart. Ah, come on, fellas. Give me a chance, will ya?
Look, Yoshi, you're really nice and all, and we're good friends. But let's face it, you're kind of turning us down with your little motorcycle. We're a go-kart people.
Slowing you down? What do you mean? I can go fast, see? I'm okay.
Ooh.
Yeah, unless you get a go-kart, then we'll talk. Come on, guys. Oh, come on.
Sorry, Yoshi. Man, that's hard.
Yeah, you can say that again.
Mamma mia.
Oh, they're right. I won't be able to go anywhere with this hunk of junk. I might as well just throw it out.
Oh, come on, Yoshi. So what if you don't have a go-kart? At least you have a motorcycle. I mean, that's cool, right?
I guess.
Hey, I have an idea. What if we teach you to drive more better and faster?
You mean on my motorcycle?
Yeah. Yeah, and then the others will see how good you have been, and they'll want you back on their team.
I guess it's worth a shot. What should we do first?
First, we need to know how fast you can really go on there. And I know just the trick to do that.